Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, two tankers contain 392 liters and 161 liters of a petrol respectively. A container with a maximum capacity is used, which can measure the petrol of either tanker in exact number of liters. How many containers of a petrol are there in the first tanker? The capacity of required container will be obtained by finding the highest common factor of the capacity of tankers, and we have given the capacity of tankers as 392 liters and 161 liters. So firstly, let us find the factorization of 392, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. And for 161, it is 7 into 23. So the highest common factor of 392 and 161 is, here we observe it is 7. Also, the first tanker, that is 392 liters, can be measured by 392 divided by highest common factor of 392 and 161, that is 7. So it is 56 containers. So 56 containers of petrol will be there in the first tanker. So our correct option is option C, which is 56.